This is the Sunsetter. I believe it's an XT1000. It's a 20-foot non-power. You have to put it up manually. This awning is about 25 years old, and a couple things about it. The new cover that they sell is not nearly as high quality as the old cover. The old cover was heavier. But when I went to buy the new cover, they told me that the new cover was unique to the new awning, the new XT1000 awning, which I think they still call it, and that it wouldn't work on the old style XT1000 awning, which I have my doubts about, because like what could the difference be? The bead, the dimensions are the same. And here it turns out they were exactly the same. But I did end up buying a whole new awning because my tube was getting tired, the spring was getting shot in it. But one of the things, if you look over here, one of the things that goes bad with these, and these are the rain-away arches, which an awning this big is just about useless without these rain-away arches, because it flaps in the breeze and it's a mess. You can't leave it up all the time, which is what you want to do with an awning like this. You want to leave it up all summer. And I always take mine down a little bit early, like as soon as the leaves start to fall, because once the leaves start landing on it, they start staining the vinyl, then it's hard to get off. You got to use harsher soaps. It causes the vinyl to wear out prematurely. The first vinyl that we had on this, we got about 21 years out of. This one's 4 years old and it's still in great shape. I don't think it's going to last as long as the original one did, because the original one was much thicker, better quality. But these rain-away arches have these pistons in them, and these pistons are designed, this spring I put on here, this piston is designed to keep pressure against the tube and against the house, so the arch stays in high winds and just stays in general. Well, these tubes go bad, and there's no real way to buy these without buying them from Sunsetter. I mean, I suppose you could figure out what the thread sizes is, because these ends do come off, but it'd be very difficult. And this is a piston that is power both ways, but it gets weak and it won't hold pressure out against the tube and between the tube and the house, and as a result the arches fall out. Well, a quick fix for that, because these are like $68 a piece, the quick fix for that is like a couple springs. I bought a couple springs yay long and cut them in half and put them in here, and it still allows the travel that you need to put the arches in, but it holds enough pressure against it that it keeps the arches in place. And this is a fix that cost about $9 to fix all 5 of the pistons in the arches. But yeah, it's a good product, but don't listen to Sunsetter. The new coverings that they have for the supposed new XT1000 20-foot awning, and probably every other awning, they have the same size bead and they fit in the same place. So you can get a new covering from the new awning and put it right in the old, like I said, this one's 25 years old, XT1000 hardware. That's about all I can think of.